guys, welcome back to another post-surgical video where I had surgery 4 days ago and I shouldn't be standing, but I need to move and walk around. It is 1:15. What I've been doing is posting shorts all this morning. So I've started a new channel, posting shorts on that, catching up to my current one, doing this posting strategy on my channel currently, and I've been devising that plan. I've also been resting, laying down horizontal. I haven't really been eating much food because I haven't been burning calories, so there's no need for me to eat so much food. But the food that I am eating is protein, because protein helps you recover faster. It's a proven scientific thing. If you want to go Google it, you can. Now with these breakout groups, I think that they're gonna do. We're gonna be introducing everyone to everybody, I'm pretty sure. Probably gonna have to do a few icebreakers. Now I am leadership. My position is the media director. So I have to put my feet down and be very, very friendly, be very open and accepting. However, also, like, we're there to do a job. We're there to upkeep a business. And I have planned and wrote down some strategies and some statistics and some numbers to throw in to show that everyone that I mean business. But I'm also there to have fun and have a good time. Hopefully, I'll remember to record myself while on this meeting so that I can learn from myself, because last time I forgot to record myself during the meeting. And also so that I remember what I told people so that I can basically everything that I'm gonna say, I'm gonna have written down because I've already done the research, done the work, and I'm very prepped and planned. So if this is that kind of meeting where we're going into breakout groups into our own little separate fields, I have a very good introduction and breakdown of what we're gonna be doing for this summer. I am ready and I'm built and I'm prepared for that. So I feel very confident going into this meeting. So that's coming up at 3, which is in a few hours. But until then, I'm going to go ahead and keep working on my YouTube videos. I have edited one video this morning, and mostly all the others were shorts. I'm gonna be working on a few others, and I'm gonna be also working on videos and ideas and concepts for my Patreon page as well, which if you haven't gone and checked out my Patreon page, you should go down there. I'm doing like a complete rebuild, and there's gonna be so much value coming to you on that platform. So if you wanna go check it out and support, that would be greatly appreciated. Go ahead, do it, might as well, right?
Replays. The hope is to have multiple devices in the...
Good morning, everybody. Well, it's actually 11:55, but yesterday was literally rancid. It was so bad. So for those of you guys who don't know, when you have surgery, they give you pain meds. Those pain meds make you not want to go to the bathroom. So I had to take more pills to go to the bathroom, and then I took too much, and then I was literally just dying yesterday, and I had a meeting and I was dying on the meeting. It was awful. Yesterday was really bad. I don't want to talk about it, so we're not going to. Today is a new day. It's day 5 after surgery. For those of you new here, hi, my name is Lauren. I do content based on the freedom lifestyle and doing it through work, travel, and minimal gear. Welcome, welcome. Have a couple things to get going on, mostly shorts and editing some of those, and then also trying to edit some of yesterday's video, trying to find an apartment in Pennsylvania, somewhere around the Philadelphia area. I think that's where I want to go. So I need to start researching, looking. I kind of want a townhouse. I want to rent a townhouse for myself because I think that would be good. There's still lots of stuff going on. I need to journal. I need to do these things yeah, here we go. Setting up for a video. My battery died mid-video, so I had to get a battery, but otherwise it went pretty well, I'd say. I have to get some archival footage for this video. This video did pretty well. I think I'm going to edit not out here. I'm gonna edit in the bedroom. My surgery is hurting, so obviously I think it's best for me to go and lay down for a hot second. Also, I've been trying to set up my Amazon affiliate account, trying to do review videos, optimize, and do everything to the best of my ability. You know, I feel like I'm just not doing something right. Like I'm forgetting something, like I'm not trying hard enough. By the way, I booked another dog sitting gig, so I have that coming up. I need to do laundry. Let's do laundry. Something ain't lining up here. I have no idea what it is, truthfully. A lot of laundry in here. He's gonna go around here. Honestly, I'm just tired and I need to figure out life, I guess. Sometimes I feel like I just be doing too much and I'm not directing my energy in the right area. And that's really frustrating. All right, let me do this laundry. Nobody wants to watch me on the internet do laundry. Like that's just not a thing. All right, so I'm gonna try to go see the sunset. It's been pouring here all day and it's so hot and humid and disgusting here in Florida. It's gross. But we're gonna go try and see if there's a sunset. It says it sets at 8, so. Well, folks, not much of a sunset tonight from all the clouds from the storms, but there's always hope for tomorrow. I'm walking so slow right now because it kind of hurts to walk. Crazy, in less than a month, in a few weeks, I'll be back in North Carolina for a few days and then I'll be off on my next adventure. It's gonna be hard to create content in that situation, but I'm gonna try to do my best and still grow my YouTube channel and social media platforms as much as possible. Okay, I think this is as far as I'm gonna walk, but I just wanted to watch the sunset. Maybe I'll post an Instagram post. Of course, when I leave, the sky gets really pretty. Look at this.